Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can view private TikTok accounts. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, the main question is, can you actually do it? And the answer is no. There's no way to do it. Everybody that says you need to download some app is lying to you. There is no way you can see private profiles unless you're a hacker, and it is impossible without following them. So as you can see here, there's this private TikTok account and there is no way to view their posts without following them. There's nothing you can do. There's no secret technique to do it. You just have to follow them and wait for them to accept you to view their posts. But that's like the only thing you can do. There's no way to use some third-party website to hack into the TikTok mainframe and find out their posts or anything like that. It's all just fake. So don't give anybody your TikTok information, otherwise you'll get hacked. So that's basically how you can view private TikTok accounts. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.